Bonjour et bienvenue. Welcome, dear children. Comment ça va? How are you? So, this is day 4 of your French class. I hope all the topics which we have done up till now are clear to you. But still, if you have any doubts, you can make a note of that, and we are going to discuss them all once the school gets reopened. So, children, in today's class, we are not going to start any new topic. Up till now, we have covered many grammar topics. So, today we are going to do some exercises related to the topics which we have done in the last class. Since you are not having your textbooks, I want you to note down these questions in your rough notebooks and try to do these exercises on your own before you look to the answers. So let's get started. So children, here you can see few fill in the blanks are given and some verbs are also given. So here what you need to do is you have to fill these blanks according to the verbs which are given at the bottom. First you need to read the sentence and see what the sentence is saying, and then you need to choose a verb, conjugate that verb, and then fill in the blanks. I hope you remember the conjugations of the verbs. We have also revised the conjugations of ER, RE and IR ending verbs. But here some irregular verbs are also there. I have done the first fill in the blank for you as an example, where I have taken verb dire, which means to say. Now I am going to read these sentences in French, then I'll be translating also. Once I'll finish the translation, I want you to pause the video, do the answers on your own, and then look on to the answers. Alright, so let's start. Marc dash au revoir à sa famille avant de partir. Marc said goodbye to his family before leaving. Alright, so here I have chosen a verb which will suit in the blank, and then I have conjugated and then fill in the blank. So let's read the second point. Est-ce que tu dash jouer au foot? Meaning is, do you dash play football? So you can choose the verb from the bottom. Try and see which verb will suit here. Conjugate it and then write the answer. Third sentence. Mon chien dash toujours mon fille. My dog dash always my son. Next sentence. Vous dash vos leçons en français. You dash your lessons in French. Fifth sentence. Nous dash au restaurant ce soir. We dash to restaurant this evening. Sixth one. Est-ce que vous dash la famille de Vincent? Do you dash the family of Vincent? Seventh, tu dash cette bouteille de l'eau. You dash this bottle of water. Eighth, je dash ce livre de français de la bibliothèque. I dash this book of French of the library. Ninth, la mère de Marie dash d'Angleterre. The mother of Mary dash of England. 10th, est-ce qu'elle dash du café ou du thé? Do they dash coffee or some tea? Now you know the meaning of all the sentences. It will be easy for you to do the answers. Let me tell you the meaning of these verbs also. Aller means to go. Apprendre means to learn. Remplir means to fill. Dire means to say. Prendre means to take. Suivre means to follow. Connaître means to know. Savoir also means to know. Boire means to drink. Venir means to come. Now here we have two verbs which has the same meaning. Connaître and savoir. So how will you do the fill in the blanks? Both the meanings are same. Connaître and savoir. Both means to know. Verb connaître you are going to use where you know about something or someone. Alright? And savoir also means to know. But this verb you use when you know a fact or a skill. Alright? Now do your answers and then check whether you have done correctly or not. So here are the answers. Let me read out for you. First we have already done. I'll start from the second. Est-ce que tu sais jouer au foot? Do you know how to play football? I told you you use verb savoir where you are talking about a skill or a fact. So to play a football is a skill. So here verb savoir has been used and we are not going to write any verb in the infinitive form. We have to conjugate the verb. So, do you know how to play football? My dog follow always my son. So, which means my dog always follows my son. Verb suivre. Then you understand your lessons in French. You learn your lessons in French. Nous allons au restaurant ce soir. We are going to restaurant this evening. Est-ce que vous connaissez la famille de Vincent? Do you know the family of Vincent? Here you can see verb connaître has been used and connaître means to know, and here I told you connaître we use where we know about someone or something. So verb connaître has been used here. Then tu remplis cette bouteille d'eau. You fill this bottle of water. 8th part. Je prends ce livre de français de la bibliothèque. I take this book of French from the library. Ninth, la mère de Marie vient d'Angleterre. The mother of Mary is coming from England. Est-ce qu'ils boivent du café ou du thé? Do they drink coffee or some milk? Okay, now here you have to make these sentences in plural form. First one I have done, so you can have an idea how to go about it. Let me read it out for you. Il choisit ce petit chapeau rouge. He chose this small red hat. So the plural is il becomes il, choisissons, conjugation with il, ent, ce becomes c'est, petit, s, we have it in the end, then chapeau, and then rouge. I hope you remember how we make words into plural. You have to remember all the rules, where we use X, where we use S, demonstrative adjectives, possessive adjectives. All the grammar has to be clear in order to do such kinds of questions. Next sentence, c'est mon ami allemand. This is my German friend. La femme anglaise va au cinéma avec sa fille. The English lady went to cinema with her daughter. Elle apprend cette langue étrangère. She learned this foreign language. Il vend une écharpe au marché. He sells a scarf in market. So now you have to make these sentences into plural. You have to change each and every word into plural form. Now let's check the answers. So we'll start from the second, since we have already discussed the first one. C'est becomes ce sont. So this becomes these are. Ce sont mes amis allemands. Then third one, les femmes anglaises vont au cinéma avec ses filles. Then fourth one, elles apprennent ces langues étrangères. Ils vendent des écharpes au marché. Alright, I hope you have understood how to do the sentences in plural form. Now, here you have to make these sentences in masculine form. Alright, up till now we were changing into plural form. Now we are going to do in the masculine form. La directrice de l'école arrive à l'heure. The director of the school arrive on time. Ma mère est avocat. My mother is advocate. Vous êtes très courageux. You are very courageous. Mes amis sont heureux. My friends are happy. L'institutrice est très ponctuelle. The teacher is very punctual. Let's check the answers now. Le directeur de l'école arrive à l'heure. Here, in the first answer, only the director has been changed. Rest of the sentence has been same, because obviously school time you cannot change it in the masculine form, they are same. So le directeur. Then second answer, ma mère becomes mon père, and from advocate, avocat, you have removed e. So mon père est avocat. Vous êtes très courageux. Here we have only changed one word, that is courageous, because you are remains same. There is no feminine or masculine part for that. Mes amis sont heureux. Here we have changed two words. Army, from army we have removed e, but the sentence will remain in plural form only, because the question is in plural. So mes amis sont heureux. Instead of ses we have added x from heureux. Last one, l'instituteur est très ponctuel. So institutrice becomes instituteur, est très ponctuel. So here we have changed the word punctual, ponctuel. Okay, I hope you have done mostly all the answers correctly. Now let us learn how to describe a picture. Let's see the picture. So here children, whenever a question is given to you as a homework that you are required to describe or write sentences in French about a picture or about someone, you always Google it and you all write very difficult sentences. So children, I want you to learn that you have to start from the very basic sentences, very simple sentences, in order to learn how to form sentences. Alright? Once you build up your vocabulary, then you can write difficult sentences, big sentences. Alright? So whatever words you know, whatever vocabulary you know, you can use that, the simple ones, and you have to make the sentences. So here are 4 sentences. Let's read them, and they are very easy ones. Il y a des enfants qui jouent dans le parc. There are some children playing in the park. Il y a une fontaine, des lampadaires, un banc, etc. There is a fountain, some street lights, a bench, etc. Il y a aussi des arbres, des osiers et des belles fleurs. There are some trees, some birds, and some beautiful flowers. Le jardin est très beau. The garden is very beautiful. So here children, you can see I have used very simple sentences which you have seen in the picture. You can have a look at the picture again, and there are many other things to describe. You can say there is a girl and there are trees, grass, a door, the simple words you can use. Alright? So this is the end of today's class, children. I hope you have learned many new things. So au revoir, à bientôt. Have a good day.